home, so him run away. How would he get those information? Remember, you know, him alleged never have no phone on him. Him go to school. Him spend from 9 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the daytime without a phone. Him would not know that the baby and the auntie has not gone back home all day. He would know that. So therefore, there would not be no reason for him to run away. Unless him have a crystal ball, if you rub a crystal ball, if you say, his auntie not gone back home and the baby not gone back home. So these are what I'm saying. These people are chatting rubbish. Utter rubbish.
So would be just running like that and trying to evade everybody. And that's not even seem to be staying on a stable place.
And none of his friends or teachers detected anything strange or unusual about his behavior in the last few days?
Absolutely not, because he's a quiet.
And that's what I'm telling you, Fallen Gabriel is a freak. This guy is a freak. You just say you want him to come back home and you don't want him to do nothing to himself. But yet still, absolutely not, he says, towards the question that the host asks him. Have you anybody, the friend, them, the teacher, you know they run him all day. And if the friends them and the students them that are around him and the teachers don't see anything different from him, why you then not gonna say you don't want him to do nothing to himself? Have you done him something so he can he will do something to himself? Huh?
Students and but participate a lot in class, not to answer questions and very and intelligence. What's that?
Guys, may I beg you to do me a favor? Follow the host, see me there. Follow the host. Follow the host there. Please and thank you. No, Lily, what go on? Follow the host there, guys. Follow the host. Because there's quite a few people in our life who do not follow me. Who don't like me that much. Follow me. And this if you don't follow me today, I'm not calling the police. But any other time when you follow me, police, I forgot to know about it.
All of the persons that interacted with him, the furthest we could go is that they could tell you up to what time they departed from his company on Friday. And he told all of them the same thing, that he had other business to do. He's not ready yet to go home. So they would not have detected anything at all. And because this has not happened before, you know, so for a long time. So nobody would have detected that he would have had any such kind of intention.
So how are you coping, just with Gabriel, with this situation now, you know, going through the searches, organizing, and also still having to do your usual administrative duties? How are you coping?
Yo, me can't really take, guys, me can't take too much of that brother there now. Me have to put him on pause because he come like him on mad me. He sound creepy as well.
We know that we see evidence, okay? The chain of events. When they reach home after 8 o'clock Jamaican time, they noticed that Jayden was not home, and then the cars start to make immediately.
Alright, you see that? You see that? After them reach home, 8 o'clock Jamaican time. So him gone on the right time now. But I wanted to find the part when the Fallen Gabriel tell you know what time him get the first call from the auntie. Say it was 7 o'clock. So I want to ask, is Gabriel smoking rum as well? Because when the reptile you know the time them they only say because in drunk. So what you gonna say about Gabriel? Because he is a man of big responsibility of 800 odd children. So if him don't know one simple look time, something wrong. No right there, so.
If they murder Jayden, cars would not start there. So Jayden will come home.
And
okay.
Yard boss, come here, yard boss, come here. Yard boss, come here. Yard boss, come here. Let me ask you one question. Who went home to the yard boss? So, just in case you never know, the hyena did not went to the house. Yard boss the hyena did not went to the house. And if the hyena is not at the house, yard boss, the crocodile, the reptile, and goatee, they will start to phone around. The only person was positively sure that she did not need to phone around for Jayden because Jayden was either in a ditch somewhere or was preparing to go to the like a lamb to the slaughter. So yes, yard boss, yes, to your question. The reptile would have to start phone home because him never know what happened. The crocodile would have to start phone yard boss because of them a keep Jayden, them are Jayden guardians and them no know nothing say. Then that are the old hyena and Pedro and they are the son snatch away Jayden. So yard boss, to your question that you're asking if they would have started to phone around when they get home, yes.
I do know timeline. Okay. When I got to the hospital in Mandeville, it was sometime after 7:05. I think we messaged her and we said, hey, don't remember where the unit is. In the minute.
This is not a big difference. This is not a big difference. I must stress that. However, she had said 7:09. So now we reach a 7:05. It's not a big difference. It's not a big difference. But I just tell us so when you tell lie, you can't remember what you say.
I walk out and enter the hospital.
Miss Carol tell me say if me not tell lie, me not have to remember what me I say because it can't change. That's what Miss Carol tell me growing up as a kid.
You see Daddy come at the same time and he just walked me up to there. Daddy was there, Demar was there, and Mommy was there. And then my brother will come with me, roommate was there. Yeah. We're there for just a couple, just kind of talk and, get fed, say hi, because it's been a while since, we see each other, say hi and whatever. And then they left. So you spend the night.
So you spend 1 hour. You spend 1 hour in our hospital. Little bit after COVID just gone. Just for say hi. 1 hour. Knowing that you're not going back up tonight. The people them no want 5 hours in the hospital. And you are going to spend 1 hour in the hospital just to say greetings you bring from Jah.
But Tiger, so why is it that she purposely in her initial interview left out Romian? And no, because Mr. T shine the light and tell us say Romian did it too. She now come confess and say, yeah, Romian. I can remember first she was like, oh, when I went to the hospital, I saw Mommy and Daddy and Demar was there. Full stop.
I'm sorry for that. Hold you still with.
And this is what me I try to say to Uno say. When she said that everything that the old reptile say is true, she are telling the truth. When she said everything that the old reptile say is the truth, she was telling the truth. Because the reptile come out and tell us before, say Romian was at bring her and Japan to the hospital.
Alright. Okay, so for all of the
yeah, I know it's not easy, but the thing is this though, right? They're looking at the inconsistency between what you said, right?
Let me tell you, so, and I get it, and let me tell you, to be honest, your boss, if I was on the outside, I would probably think the same thing. I'm not going to lie. Because it just doesn't add up, and even us, we're still clueless. We're still trying to figure out what the hell happened, like where. And I understand, and I say, the fact that there was a incident prior to the incident, that is where the issue is. And that is why when a lot of people are talking about, oh, hey, search wasn't done. But the thing is, because the two things happen simultaneously, it kind of affects how, one, the investigation would go. Because the fact that it happened, then automatically you're going to think, okay, probably he felt some way and decided that he's not coming home. So in our head, it would be like, okay.
So hold on. This is what me just asked a little while. I'm going to repeat it again. Remember, the baby went to the doctors, right? The baby went to the doctors. And Uno said Jayden did not do anything to the baby. So why would Jayden feel bad if he want like a jumping jack or jump off and jack by himself? Why them are never feel bad and run away? Why Goatee never feel bad till the baby jump and drop and run away? Cause Uno clearly say Jayden didn't do that baby anything. So why, if you not do the baby nothing, you go feel so long? Anybody job, so what if I'm picking jump in a schoolyard and bust up the head what about if I'm school picking jump up Manchester and bust their head? Where am I going to do? Am I going to run away? Can I feel bad? Will he run away because he feel bad if I'm picking jump in a schoolyard and broke their foot and broke their hand and broke one of them toe? Will he run away? Why that Goatee, that tough head boy Goatee, why he never run with them? If that's be the case, that he's gonna run away because him feel bad. Why Goatee not feel bad and run away? I feel nephew. Him and Jayden, Spider-Man and Jayden is second cousin. Goatee him nephew, him sister pitney. Why Goatee never run away? If everybody's sorry for this baby so much and feel people have to run away because he hurt himself, so we have to run away. Why Goatee never run away? Come on, man. Come on.
Alright. If you go on friend yard, parent hold him and just kind of whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was really what.
You don't hear the bunch of nonsense when me have to sing and listen to? You don't hear the bunch of crap when me have to go listen to? How many kids are going to have a playmate or a friend come over and the parents are going to just hold on upon them so? I wish you know what?
Tiger, but that is not it. In the initial interview, when they were asked this very question, which it was directly to the mother. Remember, I don't know if I think I lavally asked her and said, then mommy, remember asked, yeah.